Hey guys, so today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to buy Bitcoin on MetaMask wallet, guys. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So right now, guys, we are currently on our wallet and it is on the Ethereum main network. Now, basically, we're going to want to go ahead and buy some Bitcoin. Now, what I'm going to go ahead and do right now is I'm going to go ahead and click the buy button on the screen right now, right next to the receive and send button. So the one in the middle, click buy, and then here you could choose your payment method. Now you could choose a bank transfer, you could choose Apple Pay, debit or credit, whatever it may be. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with the Apple Pay since it seems the easiest. So we're just gonna go ahead and continue to the amount, and here you could see that we actually have the actual crypto here, and then we have the amount to put in. Now I believe the minimum is about $50 to actually go ahead and buy, but I'm gonna go ahead and change the crypto really quick. And since we're on the Ethereum network, we're gonna choose wrapped Bitcoin. Essentially, this is Bitcoin but on the Ethereum network, guys. So basically, I'm gonna go ahead and buy this Bitcoin here, and then you guys can see, put the dollar amount, whatever it may be, and then you're gonna want to get a quote, guys. Now you guys can see it is fetching your quote and stuff, and it's gonna go ahead and show you how much it actually is to buy this, and then you can go ahead and proceed on with the transaction. And that's pretty much how you go ahead and get Bitcoin, guys, on a MetaMask wallet. It's extremely easy to actually go ahead and do, guys. Essentially, it is Bitcoin, but it is on the Ethereum network, so it's going to be a wrapped Bitcoin. So basically, hopefully you guys found that video extremely helpful, guys. And with that being said, guys, make sure you guys leave a like on the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel, guys. If you guys haven't already, leave a comment down below on this video giving some feedback, guys. Feedback is extremely important on this channel, and I do take it seriously, so drop some comments down below on what you thought of the video. But with that being said, guys, I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.